Often traders miss a trade and carp, I should have crushed that. Or they make a trade and make too little, mumbling, I should have made more. What happens next separates the elite traders from those not at their potential. One of our traders left, admittedly, some money on the table with the trade yesterday. He described this experience in his review right here. SLS, biggest winner of the day, pretty much straight down off the open and never took any heat on the trade. Honestly, felt that I was not big enough in this trade and was mad that I didn't get more aggressive on retest of VWAP earlier in the morning. Have been waiting for the setup over the last several days and should have taken more out of this one. Notice what this trader has done well. Trader has made an excellent stock selection. Trader has traded a setup from their playbook with edge. Trader profited. Trader gained the experience of executing a trade for which he had edge. He tasted the trade. He lived the real-time decisions tick for tick. And then he did something even better. Trader specifically points to how and when he could have added size inside of his trading system to make more money. Trader provides a solution to trade better that makes sense to his trading style. He does this from a positive experience of a profitable trade. After gaining the experience of this trade, trader gains an important rep with this review and making more in this trade, so he's more likely to make more money going forward. This is how you make more. A trader not at their potential expresses regret without the solution for their trading system, or they envision a way to trade the setup bigger that's not within their trading system, mostly meaning not controlling risk reward. I hope that helps. I apologize for my cold. I'll talk to you soon.